welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another tutorial because this is a Sunday and on every Sunday we make a tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to find the right kind of product and niches in some software. Using some software, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that, how to find the right kind of niches for your print-on-demand shops, for Redbubble, Teepublic, whatever print-on-demand shops you have. So let's dive into my laptop and I'm going to be showing you all those things. So let's get straight with that. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and win money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it, and also soon we are going to start an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Subscribe to it. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. So once we get started with that, we will going to be sending you each and every week emails in your email inbox, which will going to contain exclusive content to help you make more money. So the link is in description box below. So let's dive onto my laptop and I'm going to be showing you how to find the right kind of niches for your print-on-demand business. So let's get straight with that. On a laptop now, currently you can see this is the software that I was talking about. That's the Merch Informer. I think I have already made a few of the videos regarding this software. I'm gonna leave them in the card section above if you want to check it out what this software is all about and you're completely new to it. So make sure you check it out, those videos. I'm gonna leave them in the card section above, and also if you want a tool, I'm gonna leave the link of this tool in the description box below. You can very well click on that link and you can access this tool. Let's talk about what this tool can help you with the print-on-demand business, finding the niches and all. So you could see the bunch of the options over here. These are the tutorials that you could watch on how to use this software, how to use this tool and all. But right now you can see the product research, the competition checker, the keyword research, trademarks, tools, favorites, and a bunch of the different options over here. So I'm going to be probably going over to the option as a product research because we would be doing the product research and finding the right kind of product. So you could see over here the product search, merchant search, merch hunter, Etsy, Pinterest search, movers and shakers, trend tracker, merch archive. So if you want to go with the trends, then you could very well go with the trend tracker. So we will gonna just go first of all to this option, that is the product search, and we will going to search the kind of products, the kind of niches that you are really interested in. So you could typing as a t-shirt. Wait a minute. Okay. So I have written the t-shirt, so I'm gonna be searching the t-shirt for women. You can choose a marketplace from here, United States or whatever. I think I'm gonna go with the US one. Then merch by Amazon shirts, or you could simply see the different kinds of products over here, long sleeve t-shirts and all those kind of stuff. I think I'm gonna go with the merch by Amazon shirts and click over to the search option. In this way, you could do the product research, what kind of product you wanna actually target if you're going with your Redbubble shop, merch by Amazon, or whatever kind of print-on-demand website or shop you have. It works pretty well with all the kind of stuff, and I feel that I have used this product multiple different times and it worked pretty well. So again, I'm going to leave the link of this tool in the description box below. You can check it out. Now you could see the t-shirts for the women. They have given us the 500 search results. Let me just scroll down a little bit. Lowest price, highest price, the average price. You could see all those things over here. Just scroll down. Now first one is the idea, queens are born in October birthday, a woman for t-shirt. Now this one could be a trending idea because right now we are about to hit October, so we are about to hit that. So you could make a queen related October tea, the different kinds of things related to this particular keywords, what is all. You could see the description as well. You could see the bestseller rank and all those kind of stuff over here. So you get the idea that this kind of niches are popular. Again, just scroll down and you could see on the right hand side there are the keywords related to it. Now these are, most of them are the kind of like a trending one because the Halloween is around the corner. So you could see the Halloween. You could also see the search volume related to it, then the genome, then the anime, the motorcycle, the science, cactus, gardens, a bunch of the different keywords over there that is related to the t-shirt for the women. And you could see the ideas, the niche ideas over here. So first one was related to the October. Second one is also funny retro party 80s costume for men and women. So it's related to party niche. Same again with the retro party. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list for men's and women. So it's a unisex t-shirts that you could target for men and women both. And you could see the bunch of the different ideas and bunch of the different items over here. This is the kawaii retro. So you could see the different kinds of keywords count, and there is so much depth that you could actually do and type pretty well for any kind of t-shirt you want to go with that, or pretty kind of idea. Now I learned for men. Firstly we have learned for the women, now it's the men, and just click over to the search Amazon. But still guys, you could see that the most of the niches, most of the product that are selling amazingly well on the merch by Amazon or the Amazon, they're also selling well on the Etsy, on the Redbubble, on the Teepublic, or even on the Jazzle. You could get that kind of stuff over here. So just scroll down, and these are the bunch of the stuffs for the men, and the different kinds of stuffs over here. Baseball related t-shirt, these are the keywords on the right hand side. The heavy metal band, so these are the niches, design ideas you could call it, like if you're catering with that kind of niches. This is simple text-based design for men and women t-shirts. Scroll down, the funny welding t-shirt, men's proud Korean War veteran t-shirt. So these are the different ideas that you could see. The funny t-shirt for men, oh look my wife's last nerve, I want to touch it. So you could see the bunch of the different stuffs over here. That is some of them are quite related to the text-based design, and you could very well target it. Now this works pretty well with the, you could see the ASN number because it's there on the Amazon, but you could make the very well related design for your Redbubble shop as well. You could get the different kinds of the niches, different kinds of the idea. You could see the description over here. So I think that this tool is pretty amazing with the way you want to find the right kind of niches, the design ideas as well, because at the most of the times we got the niches, like I'm gonna be targeting, for example, the different countries or maybe a travel. So I would be targeting the United States or the Canada or the Europe or the UK, but I don't know what kind of design I need to make. I am lacking the design idea. So this tool also works pretty well, not just for the product research, but also for the niche research and design research. You could see that this kind of Canada related t-shirt is amazingly going well. So you could make it related to the United States or UK, Australia, New Zealand, whatever country you want to target. You could make it related to that as well, because this happens to me a lot many times, and maybe it might be happen to you as with you as well. Like at times we have the niche idea, we have the product idea and all that, but we started thinking what could be the design that actually going to look like in that particular niche. Like should I go with a text-based design, should I need to have image illustration, like what kind of design I need to go with that. So that time this tool comes into play very well, because not just you are getting the product idea or the niche idea, you're getting the design idea as well. And you could see that this kind of design is selling amazingly well. So it's related to the Canada t-shirt. I could make it to the New Zealand or the Australia one, or even the US, or whatever country I want to target, I could make it related to that as well. So that's an awesome way to go with that. And you could see this the animal. So you could target some other animal over here and you can target that. Interest search. Now this is also an amazing point in this tool, because on the Etsy you could get the bunch of the different ideas that you could very well use for your print on demand for your Redbubble. So I'm here, I'm gonna be typing something related to the Halloween because it's in the trending. So I'm gonna be typing Halloween, then you can search the Etsy or Pinterest. I think I'm gonna go with the Etsy and click over the search. It's just gonna show you the bunch of the options over here. Guys, now I love this particular option on this particular tool, because Etsy is a great way to do the market research. I could tell you Etsy is a great way, not just for the Redbubble, not just for the Teepublic or Jazzle, but in general I find Etsy is an amazing tool to do the research. And this tool make it so much easy for you to actually do the research. You could just type the single particular keyword and do the research. Same with the Pinterest. Pinterest also gives you a lot many design ideas, product idea, niche idea. There is so much more that you could go with the Pinterest and Etsy. That's why this option in this tool is pretty amazing, and I'm going to leave this tool link in the description box below. You can check it out. Now you could see related to the Halloween. Now this one is the women's clothing. You could see the happy Halloween with the pumpkin. So it's related to this, and you could see the price value is it, and it's created in 2018. You could also see the tags, because this is also important for targeting, and then you could see the link as well. Another one you could see, that's the let me just scroll up. Okay, so another one, this one, fifth grade book review. So it's also related to the Halloween script in 2019. This one is also related to the pumpkin. You could see the bunch of the different ideas, king of the patch. So these are all related to the Halloween, and it's pretty amazing if you could target them and if you could go with the kind of niche idea. You could again getting the niche idea, design idea, and you could see which kind of designs are more popular, how you gonna make the illustrations. Now I use these ideas to create my own graphics because the print on demand designs that I'm selling, the products that I'm selling in my print on demand shops, I am making by myself, completely made by myself, by scratch. So I use this tool to get the design ideas to actually know what kind of illustrations or what kind of graphics could I make for my own print on demand shop. Now here I get the idea. There's the funny pumpkin. It's looking pretty amazing on the socks. I could have it on a sticker as well with a sticker pack. So this is the thing I could do. I could just renovate it and I could make something amazing out of it. And the same with the Allen, the zombie, the pancreas. So this is completely related to the Halloween. It's a trending topic, guys. Now this is the last month of the year to prep your shops for this upcoming holidays. So make sure you do your everything right. Even if you do a mistake, that's completely fine. We can just do it correctly in the next holiday. But again, guys, we can do our best right now. So see the bunch of the different options. This one is I like pretty amazing with the pumpkin. We can have a pumpkin sticker, pumpkin related to different kinds of dresses and all those kind of stuff. So you are getting so much on this tool that is beyond my expectation. Now my first Halloween, this could be related to the baby girl or a baby boy who is having their first Halloween. So same thing goes with that. The bunch of the different ideas. I could make an illustration, I could make a design based on this particular idea. So that's pretty amazing. You could also type in the keyword over here that is related to the Christmas, same in the Etsy search engine. Guys, with the Christmas now, it's also trending. Bunch of the niches are there, ideas are there. I think I like let me see which one I'm like. This one is pretty amazing. I am the smart elf. Like this one is quite innovative, text-based design. This is simple text-based design. I just want to bake and watch Christmas movies, so it's a quite simple text-based design. So you could see the bunch of the different options over here that you could incorporate in your shop related to the holidays. Let it snow. So these are the niches that you could target, and you could very well go with that. And it's an Etsy. You could do the Pinterest search as well and find the different niche ideas, product ideas, and also the design ideas. So I think that's this tool is pretty amazing. Another option I would go with this product research. I basically go with the three options over here. That's a product search, Etsy, Pinterest search, and another one I go with most of the time is the trend tracker, because if you're targeting the trend and if you're looking forward with the trend that what you want to target and you're looking for the trends, and you could very well go with that. So you could go with the period of the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. You could choose the average bestseller rank. I would probably go with this one, then the merge by Amazon shirts, or you could pick up any kind of product you want to do. I think I could gonna go with the hoodie because since in a 1 month or so we would be approaching the winter season as well, so probably the people would be buying more of the sweatshirts and hoodie as well. The two search results related to this one, that's since I took it for the hoodie, that's why you can see that there is a very less search results. But if I just probably go with the merge by Amazon shirts, you would find a little bit more of the things in the search results. So here are so many 287 search results in the 1 month span. That's in the trending. So you could see the trending over here, the My Perfect Day, the MTV Music Televisions, how they are well performing, their number, their title, tag, and all those kind of stuff you could see over here, and you could go. So most of the time I uses the two mainly option, the product search and the Etsy and Pinterest search. Since I very unlikely I target the trend, so that's why I rarely use the trend tracker. But I love these two options, that the product search and Etsy and Pinterest search, because they make it pretty simple and pretty easy to just knock out the different niche idea and trends idea and go with that kind of stuff over here. So hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. And if you want to check out this tool, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out. But that's it for today's tutorial. Since it's a Sunday, it's a tutorial time, so hopefully you enjoyed today's tutorial of finding the right kind of product, niche research, design research. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know if you want more such video related to the product research, related to design and niche research. I'm gonna be making more. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable, do let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you want to watch more of the tutorials, I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can watch it. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.